Alright, I'm going to change engine oil and transmission oil for this CRV 2016. It's got earth rims technology, and the transmission, it's CVT, which is bad if you don't change the oil on this transmission regularly. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we're underneath. So here's the drain plug for the transmission. You're gonna need a 3/8 winch. Make sure it sits there right properly. There you go. Now it's gonna be hand tight. So here's that's for the transmission, and this is for the drain plug for the engine. It's right here. Transmission drain plug, engine drain plug, just on the left side. So oil filter will be this side here, just the opposite of the drain plug, engine oil drain plug, just the opposite side, in the front of the engine. Okay, so don't forget to clean the transmission drain plug because it's really dirty. So wipe it with, look, see how dirty it is. So don't forget to clean this. Yeah, that's good enough. Now we can put it back. Brand new Honda filter. Make sure it's clean, there's no rubber left in there. Sometimes there's rubber, it sticks in there, so make sure it's clean and everything. So this is just hand tight. Okay, so to fill up the transmission oil, it's gotta be here, right there. There's a plug. It used to be dipstick, but took it out, I don't know why. Right there. We even have a oil type HCF2. So that's the oil type that you have to get. So it's right there, Honda HCF-2. You need 4 liters, 1 liter, one of these, so that's 4. And you're gonna need a funnel like this. It goes all the way to the bottom. Yeah, it's not easy to get to, but it's easier than the other vehicle. So I put a wire on the top that holds it. Pour the oil. Alright, so I have this funnel. I 3D print this because I like this particular funnel because I can screw it in and it will stay there. It's not like the other ones, it's just go everywhere. Okay, so now we have to reset the oil percentage. That's minus 200. So I believe we gotta go. Vehicle information, maintenance information, oil filter. So the control will be here. You got your source and your direction. So let's go with oil. So would you like to yeah, it says would you like to reset the maintenance information? Yes. Maintenance information reset. Okay, now oil life is 100%. And that's about it. You're done. Thank you for watching.